welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and make sure you subscribe the channel and do hype the video. Now here first thing we'll just open the cloud console incognito window. So just wait, just right click and open incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in. If it asks for username and password, refer to the lab instructions. Now here basically you have to wait for some time, click on I understand, and in the next step we have to just activate the cloud shell. Now here just next to the Gemini icon, click on this to activate the cloud shell. Here simply click on continue and then just authorize yourself. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared one GitHub repository. We'll be using that only, so just stay tuned. First of all, let me increase the font size. Now let me come over here and just check it, select it, and just paste over here. Now this will take some time. You need to wait for some time. Okay, and after that, once all these things are done, we'll be done with the lab. So just wait for some more time. So finally here you can see we have completed all the tasks, and let's check the score. So sometimes what happens, we get the score instantly also without completing the lab. So you can just try your luck, and that's the way we have to complete the lab. To like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. And thank you. Have a great day.